How to get more cloud stories on CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get more cloud stories on CapCut. To get more cloud stories on CapCut, especially after the recent changes made to the storage policies on CapCut, you can follow some of these steps in order to do so. Firstly, CapCut provides up to 15 GB of free cloud storage for business users. You can simply access it by opening the CapCut application on your mobile device, or you may also visit the CapCut online website and create an account on it. And after signing up on it, you can create a workspace that allows you to store files and collaborate with team members. Here you will need to simply tap on the space or the cloud icon next to the projects option, and inside it here you will be able to see the plus button at the top right. Simply tap on it, and then here at the bottom tap on create space. After that you can set a name for your space, select a color and tap on create and invite members button. By doing so you will be able to create a space. Once you have created the space, you can simply tap on it and here tap on the plus button at the bottom right in order to use the space to store your projects and media files. Also, CapCut offers paid storage plans after discontinuing free cloud storage options. In this page, simply tap on the Get Storage button right here, and then you will be presented with different storage plans available on the platform. You'll be able to subscribe or choose the plan based on your preference, whether monthly, yearly, once a year, or once a month. Simply select one of these plans that fits your need and then tap on the purchase button at the bottom and then follow the prompts to complete the purchase through your application. Once after doing that, you'll be able to get more cloud stories. If you don't want to choose any of the plan, then you can use the upload feature of CapCut. For that, you will need to come back to the home page, and on the home page tap on the settings icon at the top right. Here you will need to select auto upload option, and inside it simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of this projects option in order to turn it on. By doing this, it will utilize cloud storage without manually uploading the files. Also, you can regularly review and delete projects that you no longer use. For doing that, you can come back to the home page. Here tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the project and then select the delete option. Confirm it by tapping on confirm once again. By doing so, you'll be able to delete the unused projects. Also, you can tap on the settings icon at the top right, and then from the page here tap on clear cache option. Confirm it by tapping on confirm to clear cache or temporary files to free up your space. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to get more stories on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.